Hi buddies, this is Eileen, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set an alarm on your new iPhone 15, and to do so we can just click on our clock, or we also find it in our drop down menu right over here, so we can press on it and have alarms right here, or we open it just from our home screen, press on clock, and there we have alarms too when you click here. Now you can set an alarm by clicking on this little plus. And now we can just switch between the times. So I'm going for 7 o'clock in the morning. Now I can also label it, get up, and I can also decide a tone. I'm going for a chirp, go back, and now I have to save it here. So as you can see, it's over here now and it's on. You can also click on it and get on repeat, so you can switch between the days where you want this alarm to wake you up. I want it every day except for Saturday and Sunday. Go back and click on save. I can also easily switch it on and off just how I want it. And yeah, this was basically it on how you can set an alarm on your new iPhone 15. I hope this video was helpful for you. Then get us a thumbs up, follow this channel, and see you next time. Bye.